boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a legendary couple here, Eminem and Dido, with the legendary song called Stan. Alright, so I felt we need Stan here on Gordon Guitar. What a great song. Great to know because everybody knows it. And it's pretty easy to play as well. So let's start with this one. Capo on fourth here, and we have 5-6 chords to go over. So let's start with the chords. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord will be D with F sharp in the bass, and it will come after this chord. So what I do there, I just shift the bass note here. So from this grip on G, I go over to this grip, okay? So that is second on E. And with that finger I'm using for the second E, in my case there, this index finger, I'm muting the next string. I just lean my index finger on top of the next A string and get that sound, muted sound. And we go with open D, open G, third B, and third E. But you will probably not play the last strings down there. For this D, F chord, we just use mainly the bass strings for this one, all right? So go from here to here, pretty easy, all right? So that is the D, F chord, and the final chord we need is the A chord, but with an C sharp in the bass. So A with C sharp in bass. So that will be pretty much a bar here on the second fret from the D string and down. So that means 4 strings, all right, on the second fret, and you will just add the 4th fret on the A string. So there you have the chords: E minor, C, D, G, the D, F, and A, C chord. All right. So we have one strumming pattern that works for this song, but we need to divide it into 2 different parts. You will understand why soon. But since E minor is the first chord, we'll look at this full strumming with E minor. It sounds like this: down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right. So the first part will be down, down, up. So pretty easy. And the second part will be the rest: clap, up, down, up. Alright, so if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, it will be like this. A couple rounds will be. So now we are ready for the actual song. So this song will be pretty much 4 rounds of a certain chord progression, pretty similar. Everything will be similar except for the 4th round. And when you play this 4th round, everything will repeat itself again, okay? So it's about 4 rounds that goes over and over again. So let's look at the main rounds here. The first 3 rounds will be played in the same way. And you will play E minor, 1 full strumming round, then C 1 full, then D 1 full, and then you're gonna play G part 1, the down, down, up, and then you shift to the D, F chord and play the same, down, down, up, and that is the main round here. So this will be played for 3 rounds. So let's do that together. 3 rounds of E minor 1, C1, D1, then G part 1 and D, F part 1. Let's go. C, D, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that is 3 rounds. On the 4th round, you will start in the same way. You will play E minor for 1 round, then C for 1 round, and from now on it changes a little bit. You will play the A, C sharp chord for 1 round, and then you switch to C and play down, down, up, clap, up. So you play almost a full round except from the last down ups in the end, okay? So the C, like that. So down, down, up, clap, up. And the reason for that is you want this bass going on there in the background to hit you with like this. So quick shift here on just the E string. You play the 3rd fret E string and the 2nd fret E string, which will be kind of similar to the G, F chord. So that will be kind of bridge notes that ends this chord progression, this 4th round, and begins for another round here. So to summarize everything here, we had 3 rounds of the E minor 1, C1, D1, G part 1, DF part 1. On the 4th round, you're gonna play E minor 1, C1, then AC 1, then C, you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, up, and then quickly go to this part. Hit the 3rd fret E string, 2nd fret E string, and then you're back again to this E minor 1, C1, and so on for another chord progression round, you can say. So this will be repeated through the entire song. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1 round of this, and starting on the 2nd round, you can say of this whole full chord progression for you to just see the bridge from the final 4th round into the 1st round again. So yeah, let's go. Yep, so there you have it, and that is pretty much what you need for Eminem and Dido's Stan. Yeah, I just get the feeling now I just want to end this cool song, not like this. I think I'm gonna do some freestyle playing here, try to get the melody notes into this. Sometimes I get the feeling for it, and this is one of those times. Yeah, so let's give it a try and freestyle this tutorial out with Stan. Terrible, but yeah.